The Materialise build processor for HP allows you to handle large files and get the most out of the machine. Add your HP machine model and connect it to the HP firmware. You can access the HP machine information and parameters via the build processor. Nest parts in Materialise Magics to optimize build efficiency, and assign the material, print mode, and annealing mode. After estimating build time, you can send the job to the build processor. It allows you to process the most complex designs via slice-based operations. Let's print this. Scroll through the different slices and perform measurements using Materialise Inspector. Information about the printed parts is stored via machine logging and monitoring. You can even print detailed textures successfully.